Are you ready to dive into the world of opportunities and unlock your financial potential? I hope you're feeling positive and excited because today we have something special for you. In this video, we'll explore the captivating realm of side hustles and how they can transform your financial landscape in 2023. So let's embark on this journey together with a smile and an open mind. We want you to feel motivated and inspired as we navigate through the best side hustles of 2023. It's not just about making money, it's about finding fulfillment and expanding your horizons. So get ready to discover the side hustles that can turn your dreams into reality while radiating positivity every step of the way. Drum roll, please. Today, our focus is on best side hustles in 2023, unlocking your financial potential. We'll explore the most promising side hustles that can uplift your financial well-being and fill your life with joy. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between passion and profitability. So buckle up, my friends, as we embark on this exciting journey together. Stay positive, stay engaged, and let's make 2023 the year of side hustle success. Segment 1. Trending Side Hustles. Now, we're diving into the world of trending side hustles. The ones that can skyrocket your financial growth and personal development in 2023. Staying up to date with the latest trends is essential in the ever-evolving world of side hustles. Not only do these opportunities bring financial rewards, but they also open doors to personal growth and fulfillment. So, let's unveil the top 3 trending side hustles for 2023 that are sure to make a positive impact on your life. Gig economy champion. Ever dreamed of being your own boss and working on your own terms? Look no further than the thriving gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, and Instacart offer flexible opportunities with impressive earning potential. Picture yourself driving people to their destinations, completing tasks, or delivering groceries, all while having the freedom to choose when and where you work. Exciting, right? To maximize your income in the gig economy, be proactive, provide excellent service, and build a loyal customer base. Influencer marketing. Social media has revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and even make money. Becoming an influencer is not just about follower counts. It's about creating an authentic personal brand and engaging with your audience. Imagine sharing your passions, expertise, and lifestyle while partnering with brands and monetizing your influence. It's a world of endless possibilities and positivity. To succeed as an influencer, find your niche, stay genuine, and create valuable content that resonates with your audience. Niche content creation. In the vast landscape of online content, finding a unique niche is the key to standing out. Whether it's through YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, creating valuable and engaging content can pave the way to success. By sharing your expertise, experiences, or even your quirks, you can attract a dedicated audience and generate income through sponsorships and advertisements. The possibilities are limitless, so embrace your passion, showcase your creativity, and watch your audience grow. And there you have it, 3 trending side hustles that will shape 2023 and beyond. Remember, staying up to date with the latest trends is not only financially rewarding, but also a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Whether you choose to become a gig economy champion, an influential force on social media, or a niche content creator, the positive impact on your life can be truly transformative. So go out there, seize the opportunities, and let your passion shine through. Stay tuned for the next segments, where we'll explore more exciting side hustles. Until then, keep that positive energy flowing and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Segment 2. Movie accidents and behind the scenes. In this segment, we'll dive into the thrilling realm of movie accidents and behind the scenes moments. Get ready to be captivated by the excitement, joy, and positive energy that being part of the film industry brings. Are you ready for an extraordinary journey? Let's roll. Imagine being on a movie set, surrounded by talented individuals and witnessing the magic unfold right before your eyes. The movie industry is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences, positive vibes, and fascinating stories. Today, we're delving into 2 captivating side hustles within this realm, that will immerse you in the behind-the-scenes world of cinema. Movie extra. Lights, camera, action, the spotlight is on you. Being a movie extra is an incredible opportunity to step into the magical world of filmmaking. As an extra, you become part of the larger picture, adding depth and realism to scenes. Picture yourself rubbing shoulders with famous actors, experiencing the thrill of being on set, and contributing to the storytelling process. To embark on this side hustle, keep an eye out for casting calls, create an impressive portfolio, and showcase your versatility. With determination and perseverance, you'll secure those coveted extra roles and make your mark on the silver screen. Film Location Scout. Every great movie needs a captivating backdrop, and that's where Film Location Scouts come in. These talented individuals explore the world, searching for unique locations that bring stories to life. As a film location scout, you embark on an adventure to discover hidden gems, captivating places that inspire and elevate the narrative. Picture yourself finding breathtaking landscapes, abandoned buildings with a mysterious charm, or urban settings that ooze character. To succeed in this side hustle, develop an eye for detail, research potential locations, and present them to production companies with enthusiasm. Your contributions will be instrumental in creating visually stunning and impactful stories. And there you have it, the thrilling world of movie accidents and behind-the-scenes magic. Being part of the film industry offers endless excitement, joy, and positive experiences. Whether you choose to be in front of the camera as a movie extra or behind the scenes as a film location scout, you'll be immersed in a world of creativity and artistry. Stay tuned for the next segment, where we'll embark on an intriguing exploration of paranormal capturing and exploration. Until then, keep that positive energy flowing and embrace the magic of the movies. Segment 3. Paranormal Capturing and Exploration. In this segment, we're diving into the realm of paranormal capturing and exploration, a realm that both fascinates and exhilarates. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the unknown? Let's delve into the darkness and embrace the spine-tingling adventures that await us. Picture a world where shadows come alive, where spirits linger, and where the unexplained sends shivers down your spine. The realm of paranormal activities has captured the imagination of many, and today we'll explore two intriguing side hustles that will have you on the edge of your seat. Paranormal Investigator. The allure of paranormal investigations and ghost hunting is irresistible to those seeking thrills and chills. As a paranormal investigator, you'll dive deep into haunted locations, uncovering the mysteries that dwell within. This side hustle is not for the faint-hearted, but for those with a genuine interest in the supernatural. Equip yourself with essential tools like EMF meters, EVP recorders, and a discerning eye for detail. Research haunted locations, learn about different techniques, and embrace the unknown with courage and respect. The rewards of discovering the unexplained and providing solace to those haunted by questions are immeasurable. Urban Explorer. Let's shed light on a different kind of adventure, the world of urban exploration. As an urban explorer, you'll venture into forgotten and abandoned places, capturing their hidden beauty. The thrill lies in discovering forgotten stories and preserving the history that lingers in these spaces. But remember, safety and legality are of utmost importance. Research local laws, respect private property, and prioritize safety precautions. Document your explorations through photography or video, sharing the hidden gems you encounter with the world. Let the adventure unfold as you uncover hidden places that hold secrets waiting to be revealed. And there you have it, the captivating world of paranormal capturing and exploration. Whether you choose to become a paranormal investigator or an urban explorer, prepare yourself for exhilarating experiences that challenge your beliefs and ignite your imagination. Stay tuned for the final segment, where we'll wrap up our exploration of side hustles with a positive and empowering conclusion. Until then, keep that spirit of adventure alive and embrace the mysteries that surround us. Stay curious, stay brave, and let the unknown guide you to new heights. As we reach the end of our side hustle journey, let's reinforce the importance of a positive mindset. Positivity fuels success and opens doors to remarkable opportunities. Now it's time for action. Explore the side hustles we've discussed. Embrace the gig economy. Become an influencer. Create niche content. Be a movie extra, a film location scout, a paranormal investigator, or an urban explorer. Choose your path and turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Your engagement is invaluable. Embrace every opportunity with enthusiasm. Stay positive, focused, and let your passion drive you. Believe in yourself, for the sky is the limit. Thank you for being part of our positive community. Until next time, keep shining and embracing endless possibilities. Take care, stay positive, and may your side hustle journey be filled with joy and abundance.